Hello, space enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating what if scenario that has intrigued scientists and science fiction fans alike. What if Earth had two suns? Our single sun is the source of life, providing the light and warmth necessary for our planet's ecosystems. But how would things change if there were two suns in our sky? Let's explore the science and possibilities of a two-sun Earth. Binary star systems, a cosmic reality before imagining what two suns would mean for Earth. Let's first talk about binary star systems, which are not uncommon in our galaxy. A binary star system consists of two stars orbiting around their common center of mass. In fact, more than half of all star systems in the Milky Way are believed to contain two or more stars. Some of these stars are relatively close to each other, while others are separated by vast distances. If Earth were part of a binary star system, we would be orbiting not just one, but two stars. This setup would dramatically affect our planet's environment, orbit, seasons, and even the possibility of life. How two suns would change Earth's orbit. The most significant impact of having two suns would be on Earth's orbit. Currently, our planet follows a nearly circular orbit around a single sun, which provides relatively stable conditions. However, in a two-sun system, Earth's orbit would become much more complex. Stable orbit around one star. If one star were much larger and more dominant than the other, Earth could orbit around the larger star while the second star orbited at a greater distance. In this case, the second sun would appear as a bright, distant object in the sky, similar to how Venus or Jupiter appear to us today, but much more luminous. Circumvenary orbit. Alternatively, Earth could have a circumvenary orbit, meaning it would orbit around both stars' common center of mass. This configuration would result in an orbit that is less stable and more elliptical. The distance between Earth and the stars would constantly change as the two stars move in their own orbits, leading to varying levels of light and heat. In a circumvenary system, there could be times when both stars are on the same side of the sky, providing an intense burst of sunlight, and other times when one sun sets while the other rises. This constant shifting would lead to erratic day-night cycles and complex seasonal patterns. Double the suns, double the light. Changes in daylight and seasons. With two suns in the sky, daylight on Earth would be significantly different. Imagine the scene. During parts of the day, both suns might be visible, casting dual shadows and bathing the planet in extra light. Nights would rarely be completely dark, as at least one of the suns might remain visible, much like a prolonged twilight. Longer days. In some configurations, Earth's rotation and orbit around two suns could result in longer days or even periods of continuous daylight, similar to the polar regions on Earth today. However, if the suns were positioned far apart in the sky, the planet might experience periods of dimmer daylight as the smaller or more distant sun sets earlier. More intense seasons. Seasons on Earth are currently caused by the tilt of our planet's axis relative to the sun. With two suns, the temperature and intensity of seasons would fluctuate unpredictably.